你知唔知道 You are better to 係一個香港人最常犯嘅英文錯誤？當我哋想表達你今日訂台會比較好啲，如果跟住中文嘅翻譯咧，有唔少朋友會將佢翻譯成 You are better to book a table today。但係喺呢一個句子裏面，其實我哋將兩個唔同嘅句式合併咗。第一個我哋應該學嘅句式咧就係 You had better 加一個基本形態動詞，咁佢嘅意思咧似我哋廣東話嘅你最好咁樣做。呢一個句子咧係用嚟表達一啲比較直接同埋強烈嘅建議或者警告。咁好多時咧嗰個 you had 會變成一個縮寫，咁咧就會讀 you'd，所以咧會變成 you'd better。你最好今日訂台 ，You'd better book a table today。你最好寫低佢 ，You'd better mark it down。你最好準時到達。You'd better be on time。你最好唔好話俾任何人聽。You'd better not tell anyone。咁我相信唔少朋友都聽過 You better 就冇咗個 had。咁呢一個咧係一個口語化嘅表達，雖然文法唔正確，但係普遍咧大家都接受嘅。所以你最好唔好遲到。口語化英文咧，我哋可以話 You better not be late。咁更加正確咧，我哋可以話 You'd better not be late。咁第二個句式咧，我哋就會有 to 啦。It is better to 再加一個基本形態動詞，佢嘅意思咧就係咁樣做會比較好。咁咧佢係一個比較客觀同埋比較得體嘅建議嚟嘅，所以非常適合喺職場上使用。有時有需要嘅話咧，亦都可以用 for 帶咗個人物嘅。今日訂台會比較好。It's better to book a table today。你寫低會比較好。It's better for you to mark it down。你坐 Uber 會比較好。It's better for you to take an Uber。馬上行動會比較好。It's better not to wait。問下大家，你最好買多一啲飲品。需要嘅字係邊一個呢？A 係 buy，B 係 to buy，C 係 buying。